Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and install of this huge mirror. This mirror is going to be perfect for double vanities, or you technically can mount this vertically as well, just to have a really tall, long mirror. With that being said, let's go back in time, unbox it, and get it set up. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and start unboxing this. At the very top, we're going to get our user guide. So it looks like we're going to get 3 drywall anchors, 3 screws. So very simple instructions. That's something that's really important to me. But if you guys watch this video, I'm going to walk you guys through all the steps. So they did protect the glass very well with all this foam. Even on the entire perimeter, we have foam. And on the back, you could see all of the mounting brackets. It looks like we have 3 mounting brackets. Now we're just gonna carefully lift this up, and you can see that there's even more foam down here. All right, so this is what the mirror is gonna look like. It looks beautiful. We have this nice large edge here, and also rounded corners. And then lastly, here is our mounting hardware. So with that being said, let's go ahead and start installing this. All right, so for step number 1, we're gonna figure out the distance between these 2 brackets because we're gonna mount this horizontally. But if you guys were to mount this vertically, you guys would measure between those 2 brackets. So I'm gonna take my tape measure and I'm gonna keep it in the center of that bracket. And right over here, it looks like 38 inches is going to be the distance between our 2 screws that are gonna hold up the entire mirror. All right, so I have other brackets up here for a previous mirror, but for now, we're just gonna leave them there. They shouldn't be in the way. So we're gonna measure 38 inches on this wall, and we're gonna make sure that they're the same height later, but for now I'm just getting a general idea. So we're gonna do 1 mark there and another mark right here. So now we're gonna choose 25 inches for the height of each of these. So I'm gonna put an X right where we're gonna be putting that drywall anchor, and we're gonna do the same thing over here. And this should make sure that they're the same exact height. All right, so next up, we're gonna make sure that there's no stud there. Otherwise we could screw straight into the stud, but it looks like we're gonna have to use the drywall anchor. Now we're gonna do the same thing over here. And once again, it looks like there's no stud there, so we're gonna need 2 drywall anchors. All right, so I found a drill bit that is a little smaller than our anchor, and then we're gonna hammer in the anchor whenever we're done. So we're gonna go ahead and drill. All right, now we're gonna hammer this in, and you want it basically flush with the drywall, just like that. Now we're just gonna do the exact same thing over here. So now if I did this correctly, these should be at the perfect height. All right, so now we're gonna slowly screw this into the wall. We're gonna leave a little bit out just like that so it has something to hook onto. And we're gonna do the exact same thing over here. So for this part, it'd be easier at 2 people. So we're gonna try to line this up to the screws. All right, so I think we both have ours on. I'm gonna give it a little tug on either side just to make sure that it's not going anywhere. All right, so next up, what I would do is just get a level, make sure that it's level, and it is perfectly straight. So now let me give you guys a closer look of this mirror. So here is the side view, and you could really see just how thick the bezel is on this mirror. And for a double vanity setup, we would have a sink there and there. This would be perfect. Obviously, after the install, you're definitely gonna wanna clean it, get rid of some of the smudges, but the actual mirror quality is super crisp and clear. And if you guys look at the edge right here, it has this really cool design to it. It's not just like a flat black. It actually has some texture to it that makes it look really cool. So overall, this is a really cool mirror, easy to install, and looks really clean. And that's it for my really quick unboxing and install.